So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video in our channel. Did your iPhone start disconnecting from Wi-Fi or Bluetooth after the update of iOS 26.0.1? Maybe your Wi-Fi keeps dropping randomly, or your Bluetooth devices disconnect every few minutes. This sometimes happens after major iOS updates because the update can reset certain network settings or create temporary software conflicts. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is easy to fix without resetting your iPhone completely. So in this video, I'll show you the safest fixes to stop Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disconnections on iPhone step by step. Let's start with the quickest thing you should check first, which is toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on. After a system update, the wireless radios sometimes need to refresh. Just open Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi, then turn it off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Now go back and open Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds, then switch it back off, then on. This forces the wireless connections to reset and reconnect. After doing this, reconnect your Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth device and see if the disconnection issue continues. If it does, a simple restart can fix many post-update bugs, so let's restart your iPhone. Just press and hold the side button and volume button until power slider appears. Slide to power off and wait about 20 seconds, then turn the iPhone back on. Restarting clears temporary system glitches that sometimes appear after installing a new iOS update. Once the phone turns back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth device and test the connection again. If that didn't help, sometimes the saved Wi-Fi configuration becomes incompatible after an update, so let's try forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Find your connected network in the list. Tap the information icon or the small I next to the network name. Select Forget this network and confirm the action. Now, reconnect the same network by selecting it again and entering the new password. This refreshes the connection profile and often stops random disconnections. Now, if your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or car system keeps disconnecting, the parent information may need to be refreshed, so let's reset Bluetooth connections. All you have to do is open Settings, tap Bluetooth. Find the device that keeps disconnecting, like your earphones, your car system, or your speakers. Tap the information icon or the I symbol next to the device name. Then select Forget this device. After removing it, put the accessory back into pairing mode and reconnect it to your iPhone. This will recreate the Bluetooth connection from scratch and usually would fix the problem. And finally, if the problem continues, resetting network settings can fix deeper connection issues, so let's reset your iPhone network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings but will not delete your apps or photos. Just open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then scroll down and open Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm, and your iPhone will restart and all network settings will be refreshed. After restarting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices again. For many users, this completely fixes the disconnection issue. And that's how you fix Wi-Fi or Bluetooth disconnecting after an iOS update on your iPhone 17. In most cases, reconnecting the network or resetting network settings solves the issue. If your iPhone is still disconnecting, just leave a comment with your iPhone model and iOS version, and I'll try to help you out. And if you want more quick iPhone fixes and tech troubleshooting guides, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.